Folks, the fastest growing segment in our marketplace for sedans is right here in front of you. Take a look at this 2019 Tesla Model 3 long range in white with black interior. It comes equipped with HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, all the way around exterior cameras, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a low odometer with 35,000 miles, the upgraded 15-inch touchscreen with navigation, rear backup camera. It is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, powered by an electric motor, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6819.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.